It's a bright Sunday afternoon here in Bengaluru and we have a long day ahead of us. So Shefali, why don't you tell us the plan of action?
So the agenda for the day is to ideally wrap up shopping for Ruchi's wedding.
Okay,
That means we have to buy you 3 more outfits.
3 outfits for me. And for you?
Hopefully we can do some jewelry shopping.
Jewelry.
Yeah.
What kind of jewelry are we looking at? Fake, real?
Do you want to buy me some real jewelry?
No budget for real jewelry. You guys wanted us to save money, right? So we're saving money by buying fake stuff. Let's get started for the day.
Chalo, let's go.
Cheers. Oh, by the way, we're at Maverick and Farmers Coffee.
We've almost finished our drinks.
Iced Americano, matcha latte. Guy drink, girl drink. You know, I'm wearing sunglasses today not because it's sunny, but because Shefali is glowing a little too much.
As always.
It's blinding my eyes, guys.
So aren't you supposed to wear sunglasses every day?
I probably should, na? I want to protect my eyes so that I can watch more reels. We're walking towards commercial and this heat is getting unbearable.
And it's just Feb, bro.
Imagine what will be the situation in March and April. Yeah, Bangalore this year is going to be very, very hot.
Yeah, because it was very, very cold during winter.
Facts. For a Bangalorean, anything below 18 is
cold.
freezing.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to drink that coconut to cool down? We'll share one.
We'll share one, yes.
Chalo. I knew that she wanted one, but she also didn't want because if she drinks it, then she'll want to pee.
Yeah.
Girls overthink the fuck out of everything, guys. Here you go, madam.
You'll hold it?
Yeah. Don't I always?
You'll love it. Drink it. That's good.
Thanda.
Very nice. And it's sweet.
Yo, chef. Before we go shopping for me, let's pick up your alteration piece.
Oh yeah, let's pick it up because last night it got too late.
Yeah. Let's go pick up her alteration piece first. Otherwise, again, they'll do some drama.
Even yours, right? They were doing so much drama for the tailoring.
At Taswa?
Yeah.
Bro, Taswa, great collection, solid store, terrible service. Okay? Terrible service, I'll be honest with y'all. And the dude also who was attending to us, he didn't know how to style me at all. In fact, he went so far that when Shefali was trying to style me, he kept saying whatever she's saying is bad.
Bro, he contradicted every single thing I had to say.
Yeah.
Just like y'all do in the comments.
Shefali throwing shade at y'all. So we picked up the alteration piece and we're now looking at some gowns for Shefali that she can wear to the after party. There's a cocktail after party. So we need a gown for her. So she's trying something out. Hopefully we can find something today itself.
Can you clip it?
I'll wear a tuxedo, you will wear this. I think it'll look nice only. Instead of the maroon, we found this outfit which looks quite nice. Fits your body very well. Your back muscles are also seen. Very nice outfit. Perfect for the after party. You will wear heels, you'll look great.
Yeah.
Keep one messy bun.
So, diamond jewelry?
Diamond jewelry.
Yeah.
Real fake.
We'll think about that.
Who will think about that? Nice. Now we need to find a tuxedo for me. Yeah, I need to look better than you. Guys, we're having a competition. Who looks the best for every event? Bhai, Shefali ki major outfit shopping ho chuki hai.
Yeah, I'm pretty much done.
I'm not understanding how this gown was only 3.5k.
3.850.
3.850.
Yeah.
Why is clothing for men so expensive?
It's actually expensive for women also, but we just have cheaper options.
Facts. Cheaper options for men don't look as good, and renting is something I'm not into. Okay? I want to own my clothes. I want to tear them apart. I want to spill shit on it without having to worry about returning it.
And also get them altered to fit us perfectly.
Facts, bro. Facts. You know, another thing that I want to own, a Virtus.
You don't get everything that you want all the time.
I got you. I kid you not. If I could park it in front of my house, I would have bought it eyes closed.
New house when?
New house went. Yeah, so clearly, if I need to buy a car, I need to buy a house first.
That will rent, huh? That will rent. You've seen house prices these days.
You wait, bro. I'll work hard, make money, buy one house.
In 2040.
Oh, they must be wondering where did we walk into? We
Yeah.
are at West Side
Yeah.
because I need to pee. Piss break is done.
Such a long one. Did you take a dump?
If I was taking a dump, I would have told you how my dump description,
Okay,
how
shut
much
up.
I dumped, everything I would have told you.
Look at this, it's cute, no?
I hate it. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. Just don't wear it with me. Wear it to office. Okay, now where do we go for my tuxedo?
I don't know.
Don't know. Huh? What is that? The Collective. Do you think they'll have?
Might have.
Might have, no? Let's check that out.
Are you sure you don't want to check out like a Louis Philippe or something like that?
I thought we'll try out these boutiques.
I'm not sure of these boutiques because I've never seen a man buy from these places.
This is the only option that is available at Collective. What's your opinion, chef?
I like it.
I think if you're paying 16k, it better look better than this.
Yeah, I guess. I don't
Anna?
know.
Feels also very mid, honestly. Shefali has found some options online on Kalki.
Yeah, Kalki.
I believe they have a store in Bangalore.
Jayanagar.
Jayanagar, South Bangalore, where chef lives. Should we go check it out? How much is it though?
21.8.
Oh God. Found a nice looking tuxedo, but we're gonna get it tailored to my fitting. How does it look, chef?
I think it looks nice.
Looks nice, no? The only change we'll make is these buttons. Instead of gold, we'll make them silver. How does it look?
Looks nice.
Looks nice. I like it. Bow tie with it and a shirt like this. Perfect little look.
Yeah.
Let's go with it.
Yes.
Waistcoat that we will be wearing underneath the tux. Even this, I look quite good in. Looks like something Shefali would wear to office. 25. We are now exploring fabric options for a Jodhpuri suit, which we can get tailored to my size.
Bright.
This is quite nice. Anna?
Amazing.
Alright, bruv. We're almost done shopping for me. Now the only thing that's left is one South Indian outfit, which we'll likely just buy from Ramraj.
Yeah.
One panche and shirt. Now we need to figure out lunch. What do we eat, madam?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I know you're hungry. What do we eat?
I don't know.
I guess our only option is to walk towards MG. Walking towards MG and we still don't know where we're eating. What are you feeling like?
I should have gotten sunglasses today. I can't even open my eyes.
Anyways, your eyes are small.
Are they? Huh? Are they? Tell me. Yeah, they are.
They're hurting. Look at the sun. First tell me, what food are we feeling like?
I wanted a pizza. You said no.
If you really want a pizza, then we'll go to Pizza for Peace today.
We'll go
Off we go to Indranagar Bobby's. We've decided Pizza for Peace.
in a blue auto.
Hey, yeah. In an aesthetic blue auto.
I like it.
Pizza for Peace works, no?
We'll see if we get a place to sit. No.
We've reached Pizza for Peace. Now let's hope that we get a spot. What are the chances, chef?
0.
If you can do some magic and get me a spot, chef, then I'll pay for this.
You're gonna pay for it anyway.
Huh?
You're gonna pay for it anyway.
Yeah, what happened?
Guess you saved some money.
We didn't get a spot.
No.
Forbidden fruit is here. Are you feeling it, chef?
Not really, but what do we do?
Are you feeling Indian food?
I'm feeling a pizza.
Sorry, bro. Wow, can't believe that we're in Indranagar and we don't know what to eat.
Nobody has these problems except us.
Nobody has these problems, yeah. Okay, because I'm not able to decide any other place, let's just eat at Forbidden. Hi, table for 2, please. So here we are at Forbidden Fruit. I know we made a big fuss about coming here, but it will not disappoint. It's usually good.
You know, it's been good for a very long time.
Yeah, this is the oldest surviving restaurant on 12th Main Road.
Yeah, that I don't know. Fact check that. But I came here the first time when it was 2014 or 15.
Oh,
Yeah.
10 years back.
I came here with my cousin brother.
Alright, so here's our first item, summer chicken rolls. See, they are stuck now, stuck to each other.
Just like us.
Very less chicken in these rolls, but I cannot deny that they do taste super fresh. The banh mi is here, Bobby's Vietnamese baguette sandwich. Chef, here you go. Oh, he's cut it into 4 pieces.
That's nice, now.
Ah, beautiful cross section. Oh, and by the way, we saw Nikhil Kamath today. Right here, Indranagar 12th Main. He was walking with 20 other people.
Like an entire crew.
Full crew. He was wearing a
Cap.
cap and then he had sunglasses on, black t-shirt, blue jeans, baggy. Proper Bangalore boy he looked like,
Yeah,
bro.
walking on 12th Main.
Second round of summer spring rolls, Bobbies. Wait, it's not summer spring rolls, it's just summer rolls.
Yeah.
Spring roll would mean fried. Bro, I've noticed this. When you order the same thing twice, it never tastes the same the second time. This one, the rice paper roll is thicker, doesn't taste as good. In and out in just 30 minutes.
Nice it was.
Bro, restaurants should love us, na? We don't occupy space for too long. Now for desserts, I'm thinking corner house.
No, bro, please. We
It's
have
been
a wedding coming up.
It's been so long.
No.
Please,
No chance. You can pay me money, I won't eat it.
The reason she's saying no is because Corner House usually gives us acne. Okay, so we've decided to try out Lavon, but not Lavon Bakehouse. We're going to Lavon Ice Cream Parlor, which is also abbreviated as LIC, Lavon Ice Cream Kitchen. Let's go
Oh.
check it out.
I didn't know that was the full form.
Yeah, LIC is by Lavon only. Hey, I forgot one thing. We were supposed to get you jewelry.
Oh. Yeah. So now you'll get me real jewelry?
No, some other day.
Next week when we go to pick up your stuff.
Because I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired. But we made good progress today.
We did, honestly, like only one outfit left for me.
Which you can figure out by yourself, but you won't.
Why should I? When I have the benefits of using you for something, I'll use you, no?
True, I see a big crowd there.
As always, plus today is a Sunday. Hectic crowd, man. She's dancing. I've heard that they have a watermelon feta which is really nice. I believe this is the one. Which one are you tasting?
S'mores.
Try this watermelon feta. Biscoff caramel cheesecake and hazelnut rocher.
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
I love how they haven't given wooden spoons.
Hana?
I mean, they have, but this is extra.
These spoons look insanely good.
Yeah, because that wood taste I don't like.
Let me first taste this.
Gee.
Plastic. Love the taste of plastic, guys. What are you going with first?
I don't know what this is.
Oh, you're going with the rocher. Hazelnut.
Mm.
Nice.
Mm.
Mix that with this. Is the mix better?
No, it's alone better.
Alone better, no? Chef says that I'm gonna love the Ferrero. Sorry, not Ferrero. Hazelnut rocher. Let's see how it tastes. Please God, no pimples. Want to look good for Ruchi's wedding. Done with Lavon Ice Cream Bobbies, and my honest review is that their flavors are, how do I say this? Very flavor packed. You
Yeah.
can't possibly finish an entire scoop of ice cream without feeling like it's choking you.
And somehow it's heavier.
It is because it's not gelato, no? It's ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Gelato is light.
Milano is gelato.
Correct. Tasty, without a doubt, but very heavy.
Yeah, bro, I feel full now.
Yeah. And ice cream, by the way, is what gives us pimples, not gelato. All the best.
Mohit, please, bro, say birdu.
Okay, bettu. Look at that face, guys. The last time you're gonna see it
Bro, shut the
without
fuck up.
pimples. Alright, Bobbies, it's time to go home now.
You're tired, no?
I am exhausted
Why?
because I've spent a lot. Mentally exhausted more than physically, honestly. But yeah, I'll go home and watch the match. Boys were calling me, but I decided let's just go home. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.
Okay, bye.